Hey guys, I'm at Disney Springs right now eating at Summer House on the lake. But earlier today I was at Epcot and we got to preview the brand new version of Test Track courtesy of my friend Owen. Go subscribe to him, I'll put his link in my description. But here's a POV of the brand new Test Track. It's a really great ride, so super excited for y'all to see the POV. Hey guys, I'm currently editing and I forgot to mention that in this specific ride that we did, it was like our second or third time riding, the audio cut out some parts in the ride, so you'll probably hear it in the ride where the audio cut out, but we rode it 4 times, and that ride was the only time that the audio cut out, so we got to ride again after that. But I wish I filmed another POV with my camera with the audio working, but I forgot that the audio wasn't working and everything. But just remember that this is previews and everything, technical rehearsals, so not everything is always working right and everything, but 3 out of 4 rides we had perfect audio, so just keep that in mind when you're watching.
Inside the vehicle. And please, supervise children. Thank you.
Por favor, permanezcan sentados con el cinturón de seguridad bien abrochado y mantengan sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del vehículo y cuiden a los pequeñitos.
Welcome, riders. I'll be your guide on today's journey.
And I'm your automated vehicle. Welcome to the Test Track.
We've always been dreaming about the road to tomorrow.
And now we set a course for the future.
Before we can visualize tomorrow, we have to start by looking at the world of today a little differently.
That's where I can help. Let me show you how I see the world.
By using advanced cameras and sensors, vehicles are constantly scanning the road ahead, helping to prepare us for any surprises.
Hang on!
Ooh, nicely done.
Surprises, huh? I was built for this.
Tomorrow's roads will be built with technology too, like inductive charging to help keep you powered up.
Smart road activated. Power transfer complete.
Smart roads are just the beginning. Imagine being able to customize your vehicle at home.
Can I show them?
Go for it. First, select a new vehicle model.
What about this one?
Good choice. Now let's see how it looks.
Oh, let's try another. That looks good with the 3rd row.
And here's one I think you'll really love.
Oh, I could get used to this.
Now how about we kick back and enjoy the ride?
Sure, it's always fun to be free.
Watch out! Our road might have had some twists and turns, but the future is always just around the corner.
And together, we keep moving forward, finding new ways to drive to a brighter tomorrow.
Ready to see what else lies beyond the horizon?
Let's go!
test drive might be complete, but just ahead is the vehicle showcase, where you can explore the latest innovations from General Motors. Not to shift gears, but please remember to watch your step and take all of your personal belongings with you as you hit the road. You see what I did there?
I think you should just leave the jokes to me.
Maybe you're right. Thanks for joining us. See you in the future.
As I said, I really like this ride. I thought it was a great upgrade from the previous version, and I'm glad y'all got to see the preview of it. I'm glad I got to preview it today. Very lucky to do that for the cast member previews because he is a cast member. And yeah, they did a really good job on this attraction, and I can't wait for it to open on July 22nd. Now that I'm back in my hotel room, I can kind of give a more thorough, in-depth review and just my thoughts on the new test track. So I definitely did enjoy this ride a lot. It is an amazing upgrade, and the Imagineers did an amazing job. There's a lot of different references to old Epcot and World of Motion. There's even a reference to the House of the Future that was in Disneyland for a while, which is really cool. The Imagineers did really a good job putting little Easter eggs and hidden details in this attraction. So super excited for everyone to see it. And you probably saw some things in my POV. If you were looking around, there was an address on the house, and it was 10182, which is October 1st, 1982, which is when Epcot opened. So that was really cool. I noticed that on like the first ride because I was like, they've got to add some Epcot stuff in here because it's a new test track inspired by World of Motion, which was the original attraction in that building. So it was a super, super cool ride. The ride is kind of just themed to the history of cars and the future of cars. Really, there's a lot of emphasis on the future of cars and how future society will use cars and everything. So super, super cool ride. Theming, the story, all of the sets, like the tree sets, that little part where you go through the road, through the trees, and the part where you launch, and there's that big screen in front of you, like 360 around the room. That's really cool. That is a really cool touch. It is a screen, but I think they used it really well. So it was a very good ride. I loved it so much. Can't wait for y'all to ride it when it opens to the public on July 22nd. And super grateful again to my friend Owen who let me ride it today with him for his cast member preview. But as always, guys, subscribe down below, like this video, and comment down below your favorite attraction at Epcot. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day.